Welcome, space explorers, to our journey through the cosmos. Today we embark on an exciting adventure as we explore the ambitious lunar mission of India, Chandrayaan3. We'll delve into the heart of this pioneering expedition, examining its key objectives and understanding what sets it apart in the annals of space exploration. From its innovative design to the uncharted lunar South Pole it dared to explore, Chandrayaan3 is a testament to human perseverance and ingenuity. So fasten your seatbelts as we dive headfirst into the fascinating world of space exploration. Greetings, fellow space enthusiasts. Welcome to Learn with Vedant. I'm Vedant Raj, your host and dost. And today, we're delving into the captivating journey of India's Chandrayaan3 mission, its historic lunar landing at the South Pole, the critical objectives it aimed to achieve, the advanced instruments and payloads that made it all possible, the remarkable rover that played a pivotal role, and the ingenious techniques used to achieve this feat with limited fuel. Get ready to be inspired by this remarkable feat of human ingenuity. To comprehend Chandrayaan3's extraordinary achievement, let's first understand the groundbreaking nature of landing at the Moon's South Pole. This region has remained a tantalizing mystery due to its challenging terrain, extreme temperature fluctuations, and the potential presence of invaluable resources, such as water ice. Chandrayaan3 etched its name in history by becoming the first mission to successfully land on the Moon's South Pole. This feat was not only a testament to India's rapidly advancing space capabilities, but also a significant milestone in the global pursuit of lunar exploration. The South Pole of the Moon had long captured the imagination of scientists and astronomers. Its unique geography, including shadowed craters that could potentially harbor water ice, held the promise of unlocking secrets about the Moon's history and the broader solar system. Chandrayaan3 embarked on this audacious mission with a specific set of pioneering objectives. The primary goal was to achieve a successful and precise soft landing on the challenging terrain of the Moon's South Pole. This required cutting-edge landing technology and navigation systems. The mission aimed to conduct detailed mapping of the lunar South Pole's topography, craters, and geological features. This data is invaluable for understanding the Moon's evolution and its potential resources. Chandrayaan3 sought to analyze and confirm the presence of water ice, a resource that could potentially revolutionize future lunar exploration by providing essential life support and propulsion components. The success of Chandrayaan3 hinged on a suite of advanced instruments and payloads that accompanied the mission. Chandrayaan3 was equipped with high-resolution cameras capable of capturing detailed images of the lunar surface. These images provided critical insights into the Moon's geology and topography. The mission included thermal sensors to measure temperature variations across the lunar surface. These measurements helped scientists understand the Moon's extreme thermal environment. Spectrometers on board analyzed the composition of the lunar soil, identifying elements and minerals present. This data was crucial for assessing potential resources and understanding the Moon's history. One of the most innovative instruments on Chandrayaan3 was an ice-penetrating radar. This radar emitted signals that could penetrate the lunar surface, potentially revealing hidden water ice deposits. At the heart of Chandrayaan3's scientific endeavors was the rover. This autonomous robotic explorer was equipped with a range of sophisticated instruments. The rover was designed to collect and analyze samples of lunar soil. These samples held clues about the Moon's composition, geological history, and the presence of valuable resources. Equipped with advanced mobility systems, the rover could traverse the challenging lunar terrain with precision. Its navigation capabilities allowed it to access hard-to-reach areas, such as the interiors of craters. One of the rover's primary tasks was to search for water ice beneath the lunar surface. Specialized instruments enabled it to detect the presence of ice and determine its abundance. The rover's instruments were designed to perform detailed mineralogical analysis of the lunar soil. By identifying specific minerals, scientists could gain insights into the Moon's geological history and evolution. Chandrayaan3's journey to the Moon was an endeavor that required meticulous planning and patience. The spacecraft took approximately 41 days to reach its destination. On the 23rd of August, 2023, India made history as Chandrayaan3's lander successfully executed a soft landing on the Moon's enigmatic South Pole. This momentous achievement not only placed India at the forefront of lunar exploration, but also showcased the country's technological prowess to the world. As we draw the curtains on our cosmic journey, remember the stars are not as far as they seem. The Chandrayaan3 mission is a testament to this very fact. It's not merely a mission, it's a giant leap towards unraveling the mysteries of our ever-expansive universe. So continue to explore, continue to dream, and who knows, you might be the next pioneer to touch the stars. The universe is full of infinite possibilities, and it's up to us to reach out and grasp them. As the Chandrayaan3 mission has shown us, our curiosity can lead us to new heights and reveal the hidden secrets of the cosmos. So whether you're looking up at the night sky or watching videos like this one, remember that every star, every planet, every galaxy holds a story waiting to be discovered. Keep exploring, keep innovating, and keep pushing the boundaries of what we know. Until next time, stay curious, stay inspired, and as always, keep your eyes on the stars. This is Vedant Raj, signing off.